Pampalakas.
Yeah, nice.
I have it out here.
My partner don't like balut, but you like balut. So maybe living too long in Philippines, now you like it.
No, I like hot dogs.
You like hot dog, but your mama did make hot dog.
Yan lagi na. Bacon. Wala din pro yan.
Dad, look at this hot dog.
You want egg, Leah? I will cook egg.
Oh, and bacon.
Wow.
Ay na, wala din pa
Mine,
tapos.
mine don't eat barely anything.
Good.
He's picky eater. Very picky.
Well, then, not very good.
Daddy.
Eats a lot of rice.
Mine eat a lot of rice, only rice. No, maybe.
Eats eggs, though.
That's cool. Yeah, I wish mine will eat egg.
But it's good protein.
Ay, di pa din pati egg. Gusto mo kaon?
He likes hot dogs, he likes hamburgers. I think it's got foreign blood.
Wow.
Hindi sana ay mabulpo na
Mine is
ako.
very picky. He likes chicken nuggets, but to make sure the nugget is crispy. He eats fries, but make sure the fries is not burnt and cooked enough and crispy. Very picky. It's very hard.
Kung magtambok ko, anak. Mas nila, wala na akong anak. Kung ba vitamin? O, wala vitamin?
Gamin.
Wala ko, natural lang dito, diba? Putas.
Give kami.
Are they Liam?
Yeah, Liam. Almost same as him.
Kuya, kaya rin Madam Gisa. Wala dyan. Pako ka, andang.
You like this? This fish?
Yo.
How's the taste, honey? Salty or need salt?
Good.
Oh.
And it's so.
I think need salt, yeah?
Maybe more.
Huh?
Oh my god, mango. I never heard this been putting mango.
Yeah, malami siya na mangga.
Oh my god.
Hindi na siya na mangga. Ay, dahil mangga. Oh, ano ko? Ay, dahil mangga.
I learned today to put mango in that one.
In America, this is called
Yeah, wala ka ba ito mangga ng kinilaw? Masarap ang kinilaw pag may mangga.
Visiting so many people, learning so many things.
So what is the name of your blog?
Give me egg.
Name of my ex.
Your blog, the title of your
Yes, daw.
Her name.
Ganyan.
Ako kay mamiling, ako nang angga ng link din. Lahi magud ako ang account Mary, lahi ba akong Facebook page lahi. Separated na kwan siya.
How old are you?
I don't know.
50.
50.
Yeah. How old are you? Did you went to gym?
Yeah.
That's why you look young.
Lian, sabak
Yeah,
Lian.
like that. Why people went to gym have to do it like that?
Aba di beler mo sa bata pa siya matanon. Manana da
That's why
siya.
when you go to gym, you look young. You look like not.
I work hard. My health is really important.
And also you don't drink all that stuff. So
No, no smoke.
what is your hobby?
I like to read, I like to gym. I'm a speaker. I do public speaking. Motivational teacher, speaker.
You're not shy.
Ikaw magsabaw.
No, I'm taller than 50. Maybe when you become 70, you look 60.
Well, hopefully, stay young.
You went to gym every day. Isn't that it?
Four or five days a week, not every day. I think it's good to give your body rest. Get burned out too. Just like persistence, you get burned out.
How many hours do you need to go to gym?
Just an hour.
Don't for sure.
I don't go crazy, just gotta be consistent.
I should go to gym too. I went to gym last week.
Mula ka sexy mo ka eh. Mula ka yung anak.
No, I went to gym too.
Ah.
We should do yoga. That would be good.
Yeah, yoga good for the heart.
Good stretching and good meditation. Yeah, the yoga class. Lined up in the gym. I love the gym called Anytime Fitness in the mall.
Mm-hmm.
You can go there anytime, day or night. There's this gym across the street. The fitness center is just open.
Yeah?
Right across the street.
How much there?
It's $1,000 a month.
That's so cheap.
It is cheap, right? It's good. But they got basketball courts, tennis court, racquetball court, pickleball.
Ay na na, kain na na.
Yeah. Karate,
Bago pa rin ang building diya.
pool, a billiards room for pool, everything.
You should go there. You should go there, darling. You should go billiard.
I don't know.
You should go to later today.
It's like $250 an hour.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
kanang sa kusirihan, kanang every Friday rin, Saturday ko sa Patmana, kada ako mag-market.
Serious siya po yun.
Hate niya ang kuhan. Shopping.
Yeah, that's what shopping is. Friday, Saturday.
Wala po lang trabaho, shopping. Wala na.
Yung vlog.
Vlog ba?
That's nice.
Maglaban, magulang ka lang po.
Washing?
Ang laundry na, tulis doon na.
Oh, I should build laundry. So you can do laundry in the day.
Alam mo yun.
It's also the money we pay to get done. Yes.
No?
It's good. Everything? Para may nag-process kung isang kasal.
You're gonna get married here?
Yeah.
Or
The process seems to be easier here.
yeah, what kind of marriage you're gonna have? Is that a church
Sige lang.
or civil?
Civil.
Civil is very easy.
Easy.
For a woman, it's, you need to attend seminar and you get a paper.
Kami dito ha.
Right. That's what next.
Yeah.
Right.
It's very
Kami
easy.
sa ha.
So were you married?
Yeah,
Nasa ka? Sa church or with
civil.
Yeah. So.
It's very
Did
easy.
you use a priest or what did you have?
Mayor,
Mayor. Okay. What do you have to pay?
very few.
Really?
Not even my government.
Huh? Sure ba?
Yeah, because it's a mayor.
Ang sama ni Mama.
Only because it's a mayor, you have to pay more.
Yeah.
Well, we'll do something bigger later, but we won't do that.
Sino ko sa routine?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. You can get married.
Important na kasi ako.
Yeah.
28 ko. 65. Oh, 64. Naglolo lagi ko ka ng ano. So,
No, you don't look like that. Look at that, you got muscle, right?
kahit kaya.
That's the main muscle.
Yeah, when you go to gym, you can get 10 rounds.
Kaya that's it.
46.
How old are you?
26.
Mako na dati ka?
That's a baby. She's a baby.
Mako na kayo.
I don't like, I have a boy, I don't like to be in 30s and have a kid. I want to be like in 20s. Because I want to be, when the kid grow, we can travel together. Not old enough.
Kasi wala ako, wala sa lima, wala ako na. Mga ibali.
He's gonna be tall. He's gonna be very tall.
Yeah.
Ako ana.
Mine too, mine is up here already. And it's hard to bring in unlimited because they're getting expensive. I brought him in. How much are you gonna pay for this? And then, half of the price, mom. I mean, barely even.
We tried to do it at the buffet.
Yeah.
No, they came up to him and said, "How old are you?" Because free is free.
Hey, when you
I
tell
said, "He's
them.
not 40 yet." They came over and said, "How old are you?" He goes, "I'm 4."
Isa na yung gabi-visit ka.
That's what I'm trying to trick sometimes. I said, how old are you? Like 3. And then they try to like, can we measure the height? I'm like, the height is tall, so he cannot get still. He's above 3 feet. Very simple. You know, we went to Mayor to get married, and I wear a dress only. And then we went to a Crenderia for a small eating.
Good thing about doing it at the buffet is having people come.
Manang lang, di na fair. Pagpili ka na, tanan ito eh.
They get drinks and food and dessert.
Are you gonna get married here or in her place? You just tell them to come here.
Different auntie.
Oh, I'm gonna join you here too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
One mo.
We're gonna go for a little bronze matching.
Sunod, ano kayo na? Yung anak ko ano sa kuya.
Yeah,
Pwede na
next
ba?
time I'm gonna rent it here because we're close by the gym.
Wow.
I'm gonna play it with him.
Yeah, I thought you were Bruno.
There's signs. There's
I thought you said you met him in the lobby. No?
Yeah, unexpected.
No, but the son, you didn't meet your son.
no,
No, no.
bring
Ano yung iso in Facebook ko?
my son.
I was thinking that you was home.
No, okay ka no?
Who's taking care of him?
Hmm?
Oh. Hello? Who's taking care of him?
My sister.
Oh.
Lula is not really watching. Lula busy with to carbon.
Or else, magbili ka lang sa cafe, sa, ano eh, subo.
Di Mercado.
You been there?
I've been there.
No, yeah.
Not so much fun. Too much people.
Yeah.
I don't
We
enjoy.
used to go once and then we just.
Yeah.
It got over.
I mean, it's nice, but it's so chaos when a lot of people, your orders get delayed.
Right. And then you can't walk around and.
No.
No.
And also,
You're right.
I cannot eat because people take photo all the time. I do like this. I eat. Can you take photo? I don't have that time. It's just famous, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want to take a picture. Even me.
So what advice can you give her as a new blogger? How to be successful? Just be consistent?
Yeah. Just upload it more and create like fun video. Most of the people don't take videos that's too serious.
Yeah.
Just happy, just interesting.
You know what's more interesting to watch video? If you eat anything.
Exotic foods.
If you eat balut, vegan.
Why don't you show me me and chicken feet?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, you know, the people are very impressed when foreigners eat balut, eat chicken feet, because mostly they can see that in most foreigners. It's very
I
limited.
get it all over my face like a kid.
Ah, how about honey? Tuyong ba?
Yeah, yeah.
You want now the tuyong sa socket?
Later, when you like separate video.
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, si Archie.
Yeah.
Nagpalit ko. Ano na, one pot? You want that honey later?
Later, you have a lot of food already.
Yeah. The last time I had it was in Bahal, and they gave you a bushel for 100 pesos, and they opened a bushel of sea urchins.
Ah,
And they opened it in front of you. But they're small, because in America, the sea urchins, big pieces, and they're very expensive. They're like 600 pesos for one piece.
Yeah. In Philippines, their babies, they've already picked it up.
Same with the oysters.
Yep.
They're blinking. It's not fair.
And my ex told me, what did you pick? This fish, a small one? I'm like, that's not allowed, that's illegal.
Like the dry fish?
Di ba torta na siya?
The small fish that people catch. Yeah, they should return to the sea.
Oh, they have regulations. Really strict regulations. on that.
Yeah, like in Europe, because we have size that you can't
Right.
catch.
And they-
And in here, no. Whatever you catch, okay. There's no, you even catch the shark, okay.
Well, they won't. Yeah, they'll eat anything here. I know that. Yeah, they eat any fish they get.
Any fish you get.
They have, you know, the certain fish you can't catch. Certain ones have to be a certain size.
You know?
Well, there are a lot of regulations over here.
It's good because if you have regulation, like in your country, it's more wide the fish.
Well, they do it for a reason. They want to keep the
Yeah.
harvest. And
Like in Norway, there is not allowed to catch female fish. You know, like
they're the
crabs.
ones that produce.
And
Some
here,
countries, when they catch a crab, they just take out one claw and then put it back. And they go back and claw. So it's just, it's reproducing.
in the Philippines, nah.
Wala tawad.
Whatever.
Whatever they catch, they catch. Yeah.
They even catch the shark. They're like, it's okay, we eat it.
Well, they already had to survive. That's probably how they, you know, in the past, they had no choice. Eat whatever. It's like a pig. Americans waste over 30% of their food. They don't eat fish heads. A pig they'll never eat. They don't eat the skin. You know, they'll chew them. They'll eat the feet. They'll eat everything. I've seen them cook the bones for soup.
Of course, in Philippines, we don't eat anything. We eat intestine.
The intestines.
Ikaw, hindi dalas.
I don't even eat that right.
We eat the blood.
Yeah, lahat.
What's it called where it's got the blood and like
Dugo-dugo.
Dinuguan.
big parts? Like big parts.
Atay?
Liver.
I don't know, it's got different parts in it. There's a certain name for it.
Tungol.
And we eat everything. We don't throw.
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. Every morning. But I'll cook it, but then I'll save it. Something next
Ano yung magluto?
Are you gonna cook?
Breakfast. Siya ganyan, magpukaw ng anak. Mata ko, tagalas 10 buntag.
What like he goes school?
10.
Ah, so you're the one who feed, and then she just get up and shower and send the kid. Ah, that's fair. Less stress.
Yeah. I let her sleep or something.
Every day.
Pwede na yun.
We get up, we
Then
have,
we
our,
take-
we have our time together. We have
Or
our
bed.
coffee together. He drinks coffee.
So, lahat,
He's
drink
like a
soup.
little dog.
Di na ako nun.
We're sitting drinking. And he helps me make breakfast.
At least, nabanding sila ba?
Wow. It's getting so close to you.
Wait, pero sa ulo kayo nang magkasalabot ang iyang, ano yung stepfather na ito. Bigat na apa mo daw sa ibang anak ko na ko.
Oh,
Kaya sa
ketchup.
akong
Does
head.
it sound like ketchup? Does he eat a lot of ketchup?
Ah,
He
ketchup.
likes ketchup.
He played.
He love ketchup.
He played ketchup.
I get a lemon on that because it was sweet. And I had a lot of sugar on it. Ketchup.
What type of ketchup you like? Banana?
Yeah. Oh, I like spicy.
We don't know banana ketchup. We use the hands.
Heinz.
Heinz, yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Leah don't like us.
You don't like Heinz?
Opposed is
She
too
likes,
sour.
she likes
I like
Jollibee.
Oh, I like Jollibee.
So you don't have her, yeah.
Kasi tapos magluto, pagkabra, hindi na.
Yeah, he won't do anything with banana ketchup.
There.
Yes.
Good road, but
Hindi na nakasalasan.
I've been to the north with the typhoon hit because that's the only thing has internet.
No, we decided it's just too far away from everything. It's not
Yeah,
convenient.
it's nice in mobile area because 3 hours if you have a car or you can ride a bus.
We'll have to go.
Should try to explore,
It's on
see if you like it.
It's on the beach. Nice beach.
Nice beach.
Mual-bual, no? Mual-bual.
It has 2 beaches, which is white sand, and the other beach is for snorkeling.
Is it north or south?
South.
It's not close to Oslo.
Oslo,
Oslo is a little far already.
Oh, better ano, you will go to Mual-bual, ano?
Okay.
Plano mo is Oslo.
Yeah, we're gonna do
We're
Oslo.
sure, wala na.
We're gonna
No, you should start from Malbol, and then from Malbol you go to the beaches, you go to snorkeling, and then we have the falls also, Nebor. Do you like to jump, like jumping? We have cold canyoneering there, and then after you can go to, it's not that far to go to, we have the tour too if you want to explore to Oslo to workshop. It's not that hard. We have the Sumilon Island too, did you hear that?
What's it?
Sumilon Island, like
Yeah,
white
yeah.
sandbar.
Ah.
There's a lot to see.
Yeah, it's a lot to see. Now I don't want to see anymore because I've been doing it since. My son loves snorkeling all the time. I keep driving, I drive a lot.
No, he would love it too. But they get the right stuff. He loves the water.
No, he can swim all day. And even his mouth is dark already.
It's like a fish, you take him out of the water. Water's like that.
Yes, my son. Wait, please.
We went to that resort. We loved the pool. We had a big pool. Walking the water slides.
Where? In the G Park?
No,
Yeah.
Sulaya, Makan.
Ah, so the Makan.
Anak ba yan?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I even been in
Good for kids.
Lapu-Lapu, that's very expensive hotel. Cost 8,000 a night.
We got a break. We got a special.
Nagpuno ba?
Mm.
They had a special.
Yeah, I do that too. In special Lapu-Lapu, expensive hotel. Wow!
Yeah, that's what you would. You can download games.
That's nice. Oh, if my son played that, he overdoing it.
Yeah, you gotta get them together. The Leon and Leon.
Wow.
He's boy.
Huh?
Boys.
Love animals, ah. Mine is love animals.
Yeah, let's. How about cartoons? You like certain cartoons?
And mine looks really like cartoon.
Ako agad yung saging.
But she don't eat much rice and
Yeah.
she should eat more calories.
We got that milk. Got the powdered milk.
Kaya, magkuhan ako.
She does eat a lot of rice. Maybe not enough.
Hello? Huh?
Magkuhan ako once pa rin. Wali-wali.
How could you get fat if you want to eat?
You eat more than once.
Yeah.
So does he see his son? Does he?
Yeah, because we live neighborhood.
Yeah, that's why honey, the followers they don't believe that they're
Because, hey, example, he's here and he's the other dog.
Same page, honey. Imagine same page. Tapos they're same but separated. And that's
Before I hate it. 1 month ago I hate it. I mean,
Gusto mo kang
yeah.
mukha,
And then 2 months ago I learned it and like we are friends. We're friends
It's
now.
hard to get mo on.
You not see
Kita mo eh.
No, I'm moving on now. It's easy now. It's chilling and a good friend. And sometimes I talk to them.
That's good.
We help each other. You know.
What do you do? Is he retired? Or
No, we work online.
what kind of work?
Sometimes he do freelancing. Sometimes he has doing a shop back in Norway. But we're neighbor. My son goes like, yeah, Daddy, and he just opened the door over there. They're so cute. And people, are like, oh my God, that can't be true. We should do that. He should be deported. I said, no reason for that. If you deport the
She's
person
young, honey.
with no reason,
She said more. She needs someone better.
at least my son can see him every day.
Yeah, that's good.
And then we just meet.
Sabot na yung anak. Mahal yung kasabot na bulan. Sabot mo lang kasabot.
As long as he don't bring his mistress in the house,
Yeah, because it's respect for the son.
for the property.
That's true.
I told him, I told them that as long as you don't bring or don't even show my shank to your girlfriend without my consent, because I do the same too. I don't bring meet different men for the sake of the child.
Right, yeah, no.
And like, hey buddy, next day another mommy, next day another daddy. That's complicated. Unless if you find someone that's real.
Yeah.
Daddy, this is new mommy. Just go together. So we have to say, Mom.
A lot of questions.
Yeah, so for my son is delayed, so he cannot ask questions.
Gosh. You eat a lot, honey. Does she also look at your plate?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. Like, yung apang ko guys, mahilig tayo siya sa ano, itong animikad. Animikad to. Ito na yung kinilaw. Diyan.
I've been, we have this card little bit bigger now. I have mini bun.
And guys,
And when
tapos,
I hit,
tapos
sometimes I get, the road's not big in the Fragas area. It's very fit for 2 big cars. So you
How
have
about the stores?
Ito yung ng Marang.
Stores close?
store.
Yeah.
Store is close enough. If you, I'm driving, so it's okay.
then,
Sorry store?
ano to?
Yeah.
Ito yung
So they have a sorry store.
Sorry, store in Philippines is everywhere.
haggard guys, mamiling. Wala.
It's not the same as you.
Nahiya ako kay ano, Madam Chisa kasi yung napakain ko lang is seafood. Hindi ko kasi nag-expect ba. So, same, dito siya naka-check-in kung saan kami ngayon. Yan.
Here, Cebu. You stay here for
Haggard.
getaway?
Or I'm gonna buy something.
Hmm.
I'm gonna buy my
Just-
tablet, my son.
Enjoying!
And then I'm gonna buy him new helmet in 138 mode.
Hmm.
Cause
There's 2 malls here. One of them SM City.
Yan guys, tapos na kaming kumain.
It's gonna go for 200,000.
Later na lang ako later na ako maglinis.
And it's 2 stores.
Kasi may pupuntahan kami. Ang lipsticks ako guys. Ano na kayo, haggard.
When it takes up the whole top.